Continuing coverage of the coronavirus now, the state saying there are more than 5,700 cases here in Massachusetts. In his daily update today, Governor Charlie Baker announcing a possible extension of social distancing guidelines. He also reports progress over the weekend in the way of personal protective gear for medical personnel. He is also advising some people not to apply for unemployment benefits just yet. Beth Ward joins us live from her home with more. Beth?
Hi, Jordan. A lot to cover today from the governor. He said that they are ramping up tests very quickly over the weekend. 10,000 were confirmed over the weekend, but also that brings the number total in the state to 43,000. He says he's meeting the goal and it's sometimes exceeding, hopefully, of 3,500 tests per day. Now let's break down the numbers to see what's happening here in Western Massachusetts. Here's what we know so far. Bay State Medical Center has tested 1,372, which is actually 12 less than they reported yesterday. We're told due to a discrepancy in tests over the weekend. Now 974 are negative, 258 positive, 140 are now pending. Mercy Medical Center with 536 testing to date, 72 positive, 259 negative, 205 are still pending. And a snapshot at new numbers in Westfield, 46 confirmed cases there, Chicopee with 20, Palmer 4 positive, and in Greenfield, Buckley Health Center said that they are now 17 patients testing positive for coronavirus at their facility. That's up from 4. They say 5 of the 17 at the center are now hospitalized. Hatfield, this just coming in this afternoon, just announcing the first case in their town. Now, in his daily update, Governor Baker today announced more help is on the way to medical staff throughout the state, that 1,000 ventilators are on the way from the federal stockpile. Now, he also said donations of all sorts of things, from protective personal gear, are coming in from companies also pitching in, like New Balance. They're based in Lawrence. They're now going to make masks for healthcare professionals in the Bay State. And when it comes to unemployment, Baker says benefits created by new federal legislation are not yet ready and is asking some people to delay their applications.
The not so good news is that states are still waiting on guidance from the federal government on how to implement and start distributing these funds. We expect this guidance to detail application requirements, business rules, eligibility determinations, exceptions, and technical requirements, all of which are critical to assuring that this program gets off to a good start. We continue to have active conversations with...
Now, Governor Baker says that health officials are planning the number of cases in the state to begin a surge in April. They think possibly, depending on the data that they're looking at, between the 7th and the 17th. Now, Governor Baker also alluded at the end of his update today that they may be following federal guidelines about social distancing, including all non-essential personnel staying at home and continuing this new normal until possibly the end of April. He said that announcement should come by tomorrow. Reporting from home, I'm Beth Ward. Jordan, back to you.